I'm pretty set up. Ooh, that wind. Holy moly.
Hi guys. Made it here in Sun Valley yesterday. Great flight. A little confusion about flying over the ridge or flying over a mountaintop. You can see in the last video. And today we're heading out. As you can see, 1-3 is that side, and then 3-1 on that side. And the winds change around noon, and right on dot, around noon, the winds changed.
Haley ground, Cirrus 88 X-ray Golf with whiskey ready to taxi at the FBO.
Number 88 X-ray Golf, Haley ground, see direction of flight.
We'll be going to Pocatello, 88 X-ray Golf.
Number 88 X-ray Golf, roger, runway 13 taxi via Bravo.
13 via Bravo, 8 X-ray Golf. Takeoff. Positive climb over 80, flaps coming up. Oh, dampers on.
7 Whiskey Alpha, opposite direction traffic, departure end to the southeast is the Cirrus.
We're looking at that traffic, 7 Whiskey Alpha.
Number 8 X-ray Golf, traffic is a Piper approximately 20 miles south of the field.
Alright, we'll keep an eye out for that traffic, 8 X-ray Golf. Beautiful takeoff. Beautiful valley here. A little bumpy, but not too terrible.
Number 8 X-ray Golf, traffic, opposite direction traffic is approximately 7 miles south of the field out of 9,300 descending.
Okay, we have initiated our almost turn at this point, 8 X-ray Golf. Thank you for that traffic, advisory. Very cool, uneventful takeoff. Flying over these beautiful mountains.
Cirrus 8 X-ray Golf, frequency change approved, traffic no factor.
I appreciate your help, 8 X-ray Golf, frequency change approved. I love flying. I love flying for business. I love flying with my children. 2 of my children are pilots, and the third one is going to start school. He's 17. The older one has a private pilot, hoping that he gets his IFR. But my second son, who is the reason we all became pilots, was he started flying school was when he was 15 and a half. He got his solo at 16 because that's what you had to legally wait for, and he got his license at 17. He's 23 now, so he's been flying for a long time. And I always learn when I fly with him. He also is a flight instructor, so that comes very handy.
Peak wind 17032, card at 19er, 41 Zulu. Visual approach and use landing runway 17 or 21. Eyes on this contact, you have Vector.
Alright, this is going to be a fun time. We have a peak wind of 32. But the good thing is, relatively down the pipe. We'll definitely take 17. Today is not the day for heroics. We'll come in a little faster, around 85 or so. 85 to 88 would be okay. I don't want to be too fast. So let's see how this 20 to 30 knots wind is going to play out. Alright, we're going to start our descent checklist. Oxygen not required. Altimeter is set, 3003. 7 heat defrost is good, landing lights are on. Fuel system is on the fullest tank. I just changed it, and the power lever is, actually I'll bring it down to 55. Mixture is gone full rich. Brake pressures checked. Descent checklist is complete. The before landing checklist is basically seat belts, shoulder harnesses, fuel pump, boost, mixture, full rich, which is already done. Only thing we'll be doing will be the flaps and the autopilot, which will turn off. We're ready to rock and roll. I'm trying to stay ahead of the plane. Pocatello Tower, Cirrus 8 X-ray Golf with Victor 15 to the northwest of the airport, coming in for a full stop landing.
Cirrus 8 X-ray Golf, Pocatello Tower, enter right base for runway 21. And report a 3-mile right base.
Right base for runway 21, you said, and we'll report. Can we take 17 if possible, 8 X-ray Golf?
Cirrus 8 X-ray Golf, make straight in runway 17 and report a 3-mile final.
Straight in for runway 17 will report 3-mile final, 8 X-ray Golf. He has more faith in my flying skills with this kind of wind. Sometimes you have to tell them, hey, come on, but that's a 20-knot crosswind that's happening right now. Tower 8 X-ray Golf is about 3-mile final, but we need to lose some more altitude, so left 360 possible.
Cirrus 8 X-ray Golf, 360 approved, report reestablished on final.
Let you know when we reestablish 8 X Golf. I could have done it without the 360, but I preferred it. Getting my power up now. I'm going to drop my first set of flaps. And I'm going to go and do this with my hand. Alright, let's confirm we're on 17 direction. We are. I got sun in my face. 8 X-ray Golf, re-established, 3-mile panel.
Cirrus 8 X-ray Golf, runway 17, clear to land.
Alright, clear to land, runway 17, 8 X-ray Golf.
Cirrus 8 X-ray Golf, wind 170 at 21, gust 33.
That's their nice way of telling us, by the way, be careful, there's a lot of wind out there, buddy.
Altitude.
Alright, that altitude is usually where I would be taking my base turn, so I'm gonna put my second set of flaps, and I think I'm pretty set up. Ooh, that wind, holy moly, I felt it in my guts. It's really gusty, guys. I can feel this wind. It's about 30 knots on my nose.
500.
88. Holy moly. Yeah, about 24 knots now wind. And I'm maintaining 90 knots. That's a lot of work. I should be smiling more. Alrighty. Come on, buddy. At 87, 88, 89, 86. Oh, come on, let me get down. Woo! Well, we made it. Now I'm gonna get my flap up. Yeah, this wind's pushing everywhere.
Cirrus 8 X-ray Golf, taxi to parking via Alpha, monitor ground.
Parking via Alpha, and we'll monitor ground. 8 X-ray Golf. Appreciate it.
Some flights are smooth, and some make you earn it. This one definitely made me earn it. The closer I got, the more the winds reminded me who's in charge. But that's flying. It keeps you humble, sharp, and fully alive. And in the end, I'm just grateful for another safe landing.